In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Canva-designed PDFs fillable. If you've created a beautiful document in Canva, like a worksheet, form, or questionnaire, and you want people to be able to type directly into it, this tutorial is for you. We'll walk through the process step by step, from preparing your design in Canva to turning it into a fully fillable PDF that your audience can complete on their computer or tablet. First, open your design in Canva. Take a moment to review the layout and think about where you want people to type. These are usually text areas like name, email, dates, short answers, or even larger paragraph responses. It's important to leave enough white space in those areas so that typed text will be easy to read. If your design is very busy or decorative, consider simplifying those sections just a bit to keep things clear. Once you're happy with the design, you'll need to download it as a PDF. In Canva, go to the Download menu and choose the option for a standard or print PDF, depending on your needs. Make sure that any fonts and colors you've used are final, because after this point, most of your changes will be done in a PDF editing tool, not in Canva itself. Download the file and save it somewhere easy to find on your computer. Next, you'll use a PDF editor that supports form fields. Many people use tools like Adobe Acrobat or similar online services for this step. Open your downloaded Canva PDF in that editor. You should see your design exactly as it appeared in Canva, but now we're going to layer interactive fields on top of it. Look for an option called something like Prepare Form, Form Fields, or Add Fields. Select the Text Field tool. Then click and drag over the area where you want someone to type, such as next to a label like name or address. Resize the field so it fits neatly within the space you left in Canva. Repeat this process for every place in your document where you want users to enter information. For each field, you can usually adjust settings like font size, alignment, and whether the field is required. If you have longer answer sections, enable multi-line text so users can type more than one line. Once all fields are in place, save your PDF and test it by opening it in a regular PDF reader and typing into each area. When everything looks good, your Canva-designed PDF is now fully fillable and ready to share, send to clients, or upload